Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, my name is Jessica. Make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I upload tons of content here on my channel: beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, food, all types of videos. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit the little notification bell because that will notify you every time I upload, which is twice a week here on my channel. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. For today's video, we have a review on the new Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Foundation. If you guys want to see my thoughts on this foundation, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so I got my foundation from Walmart. They actually had it in stock, which I was shocked about because usually my Walmart takes forever to get like the new makeup and stuff. I actually did do, I think, a review on the original Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, which I personally did really like. It was really, really nice. I loved the coverage of it. I know everybody talks about the paint smell that it had, which didn't really bother me because I didn't feel like it lasted very long at all. So, yeah, it didn't bother me, but I'm going to go ahead and prime one side of my face. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I could not get enough of this, you guys. It is so good. It just keeps my skin, not matte, but like, it just makes my makeup last and it makes my foundation go on so nicely, and I just am obsessed with it. So I'm going to do this to one side of my face just to see if this primer works with this foundation, or if I would have to, like, you know, switch up my primers and how it looks over primers and all that jazz. I'm going to take this Essence Prime Studio HD Hydro Matte Primer Spray. I love using primer sprays because I find that they really help the makeup not to look cakey throughout the day. I think that it is such a great thing to add to your routine, especially if you have oily skin, because I find that sometimes like the oils can like seep through it and make you look a lot more cakey than you actually are. So today, like I said, I'm going to be trying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy foundation. I have mine in the shade Caramel, and I like how they added on the top. It says medium deep and then it says warm. I do have warm undertones, warm/neutral. Definitely do not have cool undertones by any terms. This says on the back that it hydrates and smooths complexion for a luminous finish, buildable coverage for normal to dry skin. So it says shake well before use. I'm just going to look on Ulta really quick to see if it has any more claims. I believe this was, I want to say $6 at Walmart. I will have the price listed. It's $6.49 at Ulta. So, oh yeah, there's a lot more. So let's read the details. The newest innovation to the cult favorite Wet n Wild Photo Focus franchise, Dewy Foundation, a weightless, super nourishing foundation that delivers natural all-day wear. Silky and creamy coverage is easily buildable from medium to full, and it easily transitions from day to night wear. Ideal for normal to dry skin types, this moisturizing formula blends seamlessly, blurs imperfections, and helps minimize the appearance of pores for a perfectly smooth, dewy finish. So it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and it is also vegan, which we love. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I'm going to apply one side with a sponge and one side with a brush as per usual. I know a lot of people also don't like the spatula applicator, but if you're just using it, I don't find that it's very much of an issue. So I just did a few dots. It's funny because you can't tell like with the pumps or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in with my brush. Hopefully this doesn't oxidize, because if it does, we might be in a little bit of trouble, but I think this color is like perfect for me right now. I do just, does it have a scent? Get the heck out of here. What is this scent? It does. It's kind of floral. It's definitely not paint, so that is amazing. I like that actually. It's not like super fragrant. Like I smell my brush. It smelled like the soap that I use to clean my brushes. Okay, Wet n Wild. They probably were like, here, we're gonna give you a scent since y'all were so mad about it smelling like paint. This is blending in. Let me get it up a little closer. Super nicely. This is the side that I use the primer on, and my pores are like non-existent, which we love around here because who wants pores? Am I right? Ooh, guys, I like this a lot. I feel like I like it more than the first one. Ooh. So far, I'm liking it with a brush a lot. Let's see how the other side performs. This side is obviously not primed. And I'm going to use a sponge on this side and see what we're working with. I think this color is a really good match too. It's a little yellow, but I would rather yellow than pink because pink makes me look insane. When it has a pink undertone, absolutely not. Cannot work with that. Okay. You definitely obviously get less coverage with the sponge just because the sponge is gonna soak up a little bit of product. This is the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, my favorite sponge by far. I like it more honestly than the Beauty Blender, if we're being honest. Okay, so as per usual, if you want more coverage, use a brush. If you want it to look a little bit more natural, a little bit more skin-like, I would suggest using a sponge. For what I've been going for lately, I've just been going for a more natural look, so I do like the sponge side better. And when it comes to my pores, they aren't huge on the non-primed side, but on the primed side, they're definitely smaller. So keep that in mind. It's not like super drastic or anything. Like I have a lot of foundations that it's like insane the amount that it makes my pores look bigger. But yeah, if you want it to look more natural, use the sponge because I feel like with the brush it definitely is looking more flawless, and I'm not seeing it super dewy, if that makes sense. Like it's not like melting off my face because if you guys did not know, if you're new to my channel, I have combination oily skin. I'm super oily in my T-zone and the rest of my face is pretty normal. But my T-zone, I could, fry chicken on it. So there's that. But yeah, I'm really liking this so far. I think it looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit just so you can see up close and personal. Okay, guys, so the makeup is done. Did a supernatural look. I'm just going out running a few errands today. It is Saturday, so I'm not doing anything crazy. It is currently 10:59. So I'm going to go ahead, go throughout my day. I will check in with you guys in a little bit just to show you guys what the face is looking like in natural light. But I'm super excited. I think we're looking really, really good. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Guys, so I have to remember the camera's over here. I am out and about right now. It's currently 12:24, so I've had this on for about 2.5 hours, and I think that we are still looking super duper beautiful. It looks so natural, so glowy. Well, this of course is highlight, but I think it just looks so natural and so pretty. I have not needed to touch up or anything. Well, it's like freezing outside, so I am in no way sweating anywhere close to it actually, but I think that the foundation is looking so nice. Here's a little close-up. As you guys can see, this is the not primed side, so you can see my pores are popping through right now. But on the prime side, they're a lot less, and I feel like it looks a lot more smooth. So that is the update for right now. I'm actually gonna head home in a few minutes, but yeah, I think that the foundation is looking really nice, and I am loving it so far. Okay guys, welcome back. So it is currently 4:06 p.m. so I've had this foundation on for about 5 hours or so, and I'm really liking the way that it is looking. I think that it really lasted really nicely on my skin. I am probably going to go ahead and take this off in a little bit because I have to wash my hair, do my nails, the whole Saturday shindig type of stuff. But I really like the way that this is looking. I think even with my natural oils peeking through, it's looking even more natural, not like it's not breaking up, especially on my chin, because I'm definitely like a hand rester on my chin. I had lunch, I ate a burger, and it didn't fade around my mouth or anything, which is sometimes an issue. Like you guys can see, like my forehead is a little oily. Right here is a little oily, but nothing that a quick little blotting sheet couldn't fix. Definitely nothing like super crazy that I couldn't handle, which I like, because with some dewy foundations I find that my oils just don't know how to act and they just completely seep through. But I think that this one looks really nice. I'm really happy with the way it looks. Usually by hour 5 I can definitely tell if I like a foundation or not, because that's usually, well, I mean, like, that's not a work day, but even like during my work days I can tell if I like a foundation or not by like hour 5, hour 6 or so. If it's breaking up, if it's gonna break up, it's gonna break up by hour 5 on me, because that's when my oils start to be like, hey girl, what's up? So I'm really happy with the way that this is looking. I think that all the claims on it are true. It hydrates and smooths complexion for luminous finish, buildable coverage, normal to dry skin. I think that this is definitely buildable. I don't think I mentioned that while I was applying it with the brush and the sponge. I think that if you apply it with a brush, it will definitely build up to a really nice full coverage foundation. That's not something that I usually go for. I'm not really like a super full coverage type of gal. I'm definitely more like a medium to full, if even medium, honestly. But I think that it looks so nice. It didn't oxidize a lot on my skin. I think this color is perfect. And yeah, I honestly have no complaints. I think that Wet n Wild hit it out of the park with this one. I think that it's a great inexpensive foundation. They have a lot of shades. I'm not sure how many shades, but yeah, it's really great. I love it so much. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. If you like foundation reviews, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any requests for videos. I am always open to more content here for you guys. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I love you girls so much. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video very soon. See you then. Mwah. Bye.